This video will introduce and demonstrate a basic setup of the Marantz PMD611 recorder. The kit includes the Marantz PMD611 recorder, recording media, 1/4 inch to 3.5mm adapter, 4 AA batteries, power cables, and a USB to mini USB cable. For this video, we'll also be using a gun microphone and a pair of headphones. The 4 AA batteries are inserted behind the panel on the rear of the device. Recording media are inserted on the left-hand side of the device, behind the fold-away door. If using mains power, the power cables connect to the DC in port. When using XLR inputs, use the input switch for selecting the input type and enabling phantom power. XLR microphones can be connected to the XLR inputs on the top of the device. Be careful to line up the pins in the XLR connection with the port. To remove the microphone, you'll need to push the silver lever while removing the cable. Headphones can be connected to the port on the bottom of the device. Use the 1/4 inch to 3.5mm adapter if required. The volume adjustment wheel can be used to alter the output volume to the headphones. The rec level dial allows for adjustment of the recording sound levels. Line input and output ports are located on the right-hand side of the device. Slide and hold the power switch momentarily to power on the device. The display features information such as the recording time, track name, and input source. The 3 function buttons below the display are assigned to the labels at the bottom of the display. Press the menu button and use the Enter button to access the presets. Select preset 1 and then the Edit option using the direction buttons. Here you can set your input source as well as file format, sample rate, and more advanced options. Pressing the Stop button at any time closes the menus. The display button cycles through several different display options. To check your audio levels, press the Rec Pause button. The Record button will begin to flash as the device begins listening. The lights at the bottom of the device indicate your levels, and these are adjusted using the Rec Level dial. Press the Record button to start recording. The recording light will turn solid. Pressing the Pause button will pause the recording. Pressing the Stop button instead will finish recording of that track. This concludes the content of this training video. For further help, you can book a one-to-one session by sending an email to mmctraining@winchester.ac.uk.